my agave plant is ready to make mezcal. We know that because, like right here, we can see a thick concentration of leaves. This concentration of leaves means it's almost ready to start to grow my flower stalk. At this point, it's time to take a choice. My first choice is just make mezcal. I mean, I just cut the lips, I cut the roots, I get the core, and just with that, I can make mezcal inside the stem. That's my first choice. Second choice, castration process. Look, like this one. When the flower stalk start growing, we just cut the flower stalk. Why? It's about productivity. Let's say this is pieces of agave. This is some agave angustifolia or maguey espadín. My average size per core is 70 kilograms to 90 kilograms in 7 years, like this one. This one is already 95. So if I wait 2 years more with some castration process, I can get 300 kilograms. So it's triple money, of course. It's so much better. I can concentrate more sugar, so my performance is so well. However, if you have some contract chasing you, well, you can't do that. So that's my second choice. And my third choice is just leave my flower stalk growing. We don't have any here, but in the next play I will show you a couple ones. So I just leave my flower stalk growing, and in that way I can collect seeds, I can collect flowers, and I can get the pets or the roots. That tiny plant or this one is connected with the main plant by some umbilical cord. It's a root. When the agave plant is enough strong to survive independent, you can take it and replant it, just like that. So, however, that's a clone. It's the same DNA code. So, if you keep going in that direction, every single generation is weak and weak and weak. After a couple generations, your agave plant is not enough strong, is weak, is susceptible of diseases and plagues. So the best way of reproduction is by cross-pollination process. I mean, with the pollinizer. The main pollinizer is the bat. The second one is bees, and the third one is hummingbirds. That's the main pollinizers. Here is the culture. However, the pollination process is a tricky one. First of all, I need wait 7 years to get my flower stalk. Second of all, the window for the pollinizers is just 6 hours. Just 6 hours is the window for the pollinizer to bring some pollen from all the plant. Some streak but always happens, so it's like normal. The universe works perfectly. So also, guys, we're farming really far away, one line against the other, because come on, guys, it's 7 years. I need to make some money meanwhile. So in rain season, we used to bring the tractor. We prepare the soil. Of course, we cut the leaves, and we put corn together with beans, pumpkins, and chilies. The corn give me structure to my beans, and the pumpkin and the chili modify the pH of the soil. First of all, to give me hydrogen, and second of all, to compete with the weed. Because finally, twice a year, I need to remove all that weed, just like that. Also, the perfect range of altitude for reproduction of the agave plant is between 800 meters altitude to 1900 meters altitude. In that range of altitude is the original biological core. I mean, the mountains at the Pacific, that Sierra is full of agaves. All the biodiversity, most part of the biodiversity of agave is right there. So right now we are 1500 meters, so it's pretty good, and you can see it's quite dry. And the reason why is just because inside my agave plant some phenomenon happened, which name is hydrostress. That's mean when my agave plant feels dry, it keeps sugars for the future and survive. In that way, I can concentrate sugars. Let's say I found this plant at the sea. Right there is a lot humid. So the agave plant are growing faster, beautiful, and huge, but it's not sugar inside. So the level of sugar is quite low, so my efficiency is not exactly good. It's just like that, guys. So questions at this point?
So you want it to be a little bit dry.
You know what? This dry leaves, you can see it's a bunch of that is because we grabbed kind of ice like 3 months ago.
Oh.
So yeah, the ice is not really good for this kind of plant, and well, we pay the price.
Oh.
Does
So-
it affect the sugar content when there's ice, or?
No, the sugar content is affected for the rain. The rule to harvest is you can harvest every single day of the year if your agave plant is ready, but you can harvest after rain. You need to wait at least 3 weeks of dry conditions. Another way, you lose sugars.
Okay.
So guys, go ahead, take your photos. Let me know if